I grew up eating Pop-Tarts, and now I know that they are not halal. And I want to let you know because a lot of kids are obsessed with Pop-Tarts when going to school, and also it's a snack that a lot of teachers give out to kids. So if you have kids that are going to school, this is great information for you that Pop-Tarts are not halal. They have gelatin and poor ingredients. Please avoid it, or have your kids to avoid it as well. There is a bit of confusion about Oreo. From my research, again, I'm not a scholar or anything. I do research from multiple sources. I think Oreos are, based on my research, are halal, but I've also heard rumors that they might not be halal. But as far as I've researched and as far as I'm concerned, I am comfortable with consuming Oreos, and they are halal. For all the Muslims out there, Cheetos is not halal. Cheetos is not halal. I've seen so many